How to save view one's photo and video on WhatsApp. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and your friend sent you a very snap or a very picture on the very WhatsApp that can be viewed once only, but you would like to save it on your phone, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device, and then you have to go to the very person who has sent you the very picture that is only for a limited period of time. Now, in order to see it, what you can do is you can just close your very internet connection out there and turn on the flight mode. And after you turn on the flight mode, you can see the very interface like this. Now you can tap on the photo like this, and after you tap on the photo like this, now what you can do is you can just go and screenshot it, and after you screenshot it, it will be saved in your very phone, and the person would not know it as well. So this is the way on how you can do it. And after you do it, you can just close the flight mode, and again you can just open your internet connection, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.